Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and I'm talking low because everybody in this house is sleeping. Lies, not true. My boy is up, Tyler is up and reading a book. Because of course, you know, the rules in this house is when you wake up in the morning and you want to watch TV, you have to read a book first. So, you know the rules, so he's doing that. But I am heading out to school. School is slowly winding down. I'm just giving you guys everything all at once. Oh my God, how are you guys doing? School is slowly winding down and I have roughly 1 week to go next week. This time I'll be over with my course. With this level of French. I did my final exam yesterday. When I got out of the exam, I wasn't as confident as I was with my first exam. But this is my third exam, the final one. So I'll be getting the results at the end of this week. So hopefully it will go well. Yeah, babe is not feeling too well. Babe hurt his thumb. Maybe he's gonna have to end up going to the doctor. I'm not sure, we'll have to see, because he went out with his friends last night, one to play football and two, after the aim was to watch the French game against Australia, because of course, you know, the World Cup is going on. So that was the aim. And he messaged me and said that he fell while playing football and he heard his big finger crack, and when he came home it was visibly swollen, and I don't know what he ate while he was out with his friends. He said he ate pizza, but last night he was just not feeling well. He was hot, then he was cold, then he wanted to vomit. It was just a mess, but he's feeling a little bit better right now. But unfortunately I have to leave him at home with the kids because today's Wednesday, and in France on a Wednesday there is no school, so we normally stay home and work from home with the kids. Sarah is still sleeping. Sarah is also doing much better. The vomiting has subsided, and she is now recovering from the abscess on her lip. It's inside of her lip, it's almost gone completely, but of course she continues to take medication. She have to do that for the next, she have to do it for 5 days. So that's what's been happening around here. I'm just giving you guys all the updates in one. But yeah, anyway, I also have a surprise for you guys from my brother. The sweetest surprise. So I'm gonna let you guys see that right now, and then when you guys finish seeing that, you can come back and catch up on the rest of the vlog. So stick and stay. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys when I get back home, because I'm not carrying the camera today. You guys staying home, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. And of course you'll get to see Sarah and Tyler and Babe. Don't worry, I got you. Have a good day.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I hope this finds you well. For those of you who don't know me, I know you might know who I am, or know of me, but you probably have not seen my face up close or interacted with me like this before. So for those who that goes for, my name is Wallace Conrad, and I am the brother to Melissa, to who you know as Melissa. For me is another name, and that's okay because I'm her brother, right? Yeah, so that is my beautiful queen sister, who you know as Melissa, or the Delaveaus, right? And I thought it was important to come on and speak to you for a little bit on multiple things. The first thing being the wonderful community that you all have created here. This should not be underestimated or frowned upon, because this is a space where you can come and you can coexist in the manner that you all have. And I have admired that, and it is, as I said, in support of my sister, and my sister is an extension of myself. So if you support my sister, you support me. So thank you for that. And this has been a long time coming, but I have been very busy with the work and writing and the works and family, so forth. However, it's a good time because it is now Thanksgiving season, and I have these things to give thanks for. So, as I usually say, time is the master. So, I wanted to thank you for that. And secondly, and probably most importantly, I want to thank you for the recent support that you have given me directly, in the form of the support for my book, Your Wonderful Face. And I have received many feedback from you. I have interacted to many of you through your responses for this book, and I wanted to personally come on and thank you for all the feedback. It is much appreciated, and I thank you wholeheartedly for that. But what I want to do is to give you a background and why I actually chose to write this book, and talk to you a little bit about the book itself, even though I do not have a lot of time. But I still think it is important for you to know what this book was about and what I aim to achieve with this book, right? So as you all know, because a lot of you have purchased it, the book is called Your Wonderful Face, A Great Start to Being Confident and Inclusive. If I remember the title correctly, I might not be correct on the subtitle part. But my idea was to awaken recognition that you belong. And I say you, not necessarily for you, the grown up, but for children. And I thought it is critical that we help our children to understand this, to understand a feeling of belongingness, especially now, because I think we have a lot of distraction. And while the media can be something good, as it is good now, I'm speaking to you from halfway across the world, it can also affect us in ways that are not necessarily a good thing. And I wanted to bring that across. But not that alone, but I want children to know that despite how they look, despite their features, it is acceptable and they belong. So that was the premise on which I wrote this book. And so that is the reason for Your Wonderful Face, because I think it is very important for children to know that love starts with themselves. And I always say that if you don't love yourself, you have no business loving anyone else. And I think it is important that we start to teach children that at a very early age, so that when they come across the situation, the space, the time where they are showed the opposite, they know, and they can be comfortable in knowing that they belong, and these things do not affect them in a terrible way. And so that is where the book is coming from, and the message that I want to be had from the book. But that is not done in its entirety in that piece, the book I'm referring to. But I thought that instead of giving everything at once, it will be more effective to give these lessons in increments. And so there are additional books to come. So please continue to send your feedbacks. It helps how I write, why I write, and sometimes what I write. Your feedback is invaluable to the work that I am doing, that I am trying to do. So thank you again for all of the feedback, for all the persons who purchased the book. I hope that yourself, your children, found a valuable lesson, and not just a lesson, but enjoy reading the book. Another thing that I wanted to improve upon was the fact that we had a lot of books. I know for myself, my siblings, my sister, we had a lot of books, but some of these nursery rhymes and very catchy parables and stuff like this, they didn't hold a very significant meaning. They didn't have a lot of substance, in my opinion. And so I try to write in a way for the lessons not just to be enjoyable and rhymey, but they should be teaching children something. So if you notice how I structured the book, it doesn't just rhyme, but there are a lot of lessons that are encapsulated in what I write. And so when I'm constructing a children's book, and I say children's book, but this is not the only genre that I write. But when I'm writing overall, I want there to be a lesson behind this. I don't want it to be very empty. And so you will see this coming across. This is deliberate, right? So as I said, your feedback means a lot to me. So keep sending them in, and they are much appreciated. And I hope, again, you have a good Thanksgiving. Do not eat too much. I hope you have lots of laughs with your family and with your loved ones. That is what I wanted to say. So I will love you and leave you. And thank you again. Hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I will try to do the same. And until we speak again, hopefully that is soon, take care of yourselves. Thank you again.
Look at this one living her best life. Sarah, say hello to Faves. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
You ready for bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you're tired.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you hear she say yes, you know she's ready. Look at her. All right, let's go find the other one. Say hello. What are you doing?
I'm not feeling well.
Why are you not feeling well? We're not feeling well.
My nose.
Your nose stuffy.
It's like it's imagine in your head a clock.
Okay. And?
This is the number 3 on the clock.
Okay.
It looks like I lose 15 minutes of energy.
I don't understand.
Imagine that clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, but how does that have to do anything with clock and losing 15 minutes? You want us to vision?
I lose 15% of my energy.
Why you losing 15% of your energy doing?
Oh, I told you I'm not feeling well.
You're funny, you know that? Like your papa?
Huh?
You're funny.
I'm not funny at all. I'm serious.
You're funny just by saying you're not funny.
It don't go.
So why are you in the bathroom? What are you waiting on?
You to brush my teeth. I told you I lose
Why?
15% of
you want me to brush your teeth? Because you lose 50 minutes of your energy?
Yes.
You're too funny. Okay, I'll do you
I'm not funny.
I'll do you the honors and brush your teeth. Just this once. Okay? Well, that doesn't look like you lose 50 minutes of energy at all.
Can I show friends what I did for the photogrimas at school?
So where's the photogrimas?
I didn't. We don't have it. It's only class. It's a photo of everybody doing a silly face.
Okay, so show face what you did for
I did like
photogrimas. You are funny. Let me see your lip. Wow! Why your lips are dry?
I don't know.
Okay, can't brush teeth. Hey you guys, so I got home and only come to realize that I have a house of sick people. Tyler is getting a cold, give you medicine. Sarah is recovering from her thing on her lip, give her medicine, put both of them to bed. Baby's still not feeling well, so he's going to the doctor tomorrow, both for his finger and for how he's feeling inside. So I guess I am the only good one right now. But anyway, I took care of everybody. They ate. They're all laying down. So, and here. Yes! Okay. There goes Sarah is calling me to come. Anyway, you guys, I'm just coming out to tell you guys thanks for watching. And give this video a thumbs up. I don't have anything else to show you guys because everybody was kind of in a somber mood when I got home, so I did a vlog. I'm gonna attend Sarah real quick, so catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's take you guys with me to see what you want. What do you want? You just had a compote. No more compote. I just gave you a compote.
Just a little bit.
No, you'll get a compote in the morning, okay?
Okay.
Lay down, please, and sleep. No crying, okay?
Okay.
Close eyes and sleep. Do you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, so I'm back. My daughter wanted a snack. I know she was gonna want a snack. That's why I gave her one just before she go to bed. And she's calling me that she wants one. Nope, this ain't happening. She needs to go to sleep. And also, hopefully you guys enjoyed the little surprise message from my brother. And his book is, of course, available everywhere just in time for Christmas for you guys. So if you haven't yet gotten my brother's book, please go ahead and order your book right now. I'll leave the link down below of where you can get it and some of the places and the names of where you can get my book. And thanks again, you guys, so much in advance. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.